Hey guys, today on this video we're going to be learning how to log into our store. First thing first, you want to go to your Google browser or your Safari browser, depending on if you're on a MacBook or a PC. I'm going to go right here and I am going to type in one of my stores with the domain name, atlexoticcars.com. So if you've already switched over your domain name, we would enter in atlexoticcars.com/admin to pull up our back office of our domain. When I click enter, it pops up and it gives me access to enter in my email address and my password. Let's say if you haven't switched over your domain name yet, you would enter in your .myshopify URL. So my .myshopify URL is atlexoticcars.myshopify.com/admin. So admin is extremely important. Admin actually takes you to this back office page. So if you're already logged into your store, it would actually log you right in. But since I'm not logged in, it's taking me to the place to log in. Let me see if I remember my password. All right, so I can log right into my back office of my store and it will basically show me what's going on in my back office. So get ready for the next video.